Picture this. You're 22 years old, grew up with an iPhone in your hand, learned to swipe before you could spell your name. Everyone calls your generation digital natives. The ones who own the internet, the ones who get technology better than anyone else. And then ChatGPT drops, Midjourney drops, AI coding assistants drop. Suddenly, a 55-year-old accountant who barely knew how to format an Excel sheet is whipping up full-blown websites, editing cinematic videos, and writing code in minutes. You start wondering, if AI can do all this, is my so-called tech advantage already over? Who are digital natives, really? Let's back up for a second. The term digital native basically means someone born into the age of technology. No awkward learning curve, no VHS to Netflix transition pain. You were just there, in the middle of it. If you're under 30, chances are you don't remember a world without Google. You don't remember the pain of waiting for dial-up internet to connect. And your idea of saving a file has nothing to do with floppy disks. You were the early adopters of everything. Smartphones, Instagram, YouTube. You learned to type faster than you could write by hand. Tech was your playground, and you were the kings and queens of it. But here's the plot twist. That crown, AI just snatched it and said, "Thanks, I'll take it from here." The AI curveball. You see, digital natives were supposed to have the unbeatable advantage growing up fluent in tech. But AI is different. It's not just a tool, it's a thinker. Well, okay, maybe not in the human sense, but it's a system that can reason, predict, generate, and even create things we never thought computers could touch. ChatGPT can write in seconds what might take you hours. Midjourney can create images that would take a designer days. GitHub Copilot can write code that beginners would have to Google for hours. Runway can edit your videos, remove backgrounds, and add special effects without you knowing a single thing about After Effects. Here's the thing that stings for digital natives. AI erases the learning gap. That 55-year-old accountant? With AI, they can match or even beat your digital output. It's like training for a marathon since childhood, only to show up on race day and watch everyone else roll in with roller skates. Why this matters? This isn't just about bragging rights. Digital skills used to be currency. They got you hired. They made you the go-to person at work. They gave you an edge. But now, AI isn't just giving everyone those skills. It's giving them instantly. Want to design a logo? Done. Write a marketing email? Done. Build an app prototype? Done. Before AI, these tasks required hours of practice, years of familiarity. Digital natives were miles ahead. Now, the distance between them and everyone else is shrinking by the day. Are digital natives losing their edge? Let's be honest. Being a digital native used to mean being adaptable, quick to figure things out, and ahead of the curve. But here's the brutal truth. AI is faster. AI doesn't need to figure it out. It doesn't fumble through menus or settings. It just produces. A digital native might know Photoshop. AI can replace Photoshop for most casual users. A digital native might know how to code. AI can write the code, fix the bugs, and even explain it in plain English. So, does that mean you're obsolete? Not exactly. But it does mean that knowing tech isn't enough anymore. The new advantage. Here's the good news. There's a new currency in the age of AI. And it's not about who can click the fastest or knows the most shortcuts. The real value now lies in creativity, coming up with ideas AI can execute. Ethical judgment, deciding what should be done, not just what can be done. Cross-disciplinary thinking, connecting dots across different fields. Prompt mastery, speaking AI's language better than others. Think of AI as the world's best sous chef. Sure, it can chop, mix, and bake faster than you, but someone still needs to plan the menu, taste the dish, and decide whether it works. The rise of prompt culture. There's a whole microculture emerging around prompting. People who know how to talk to AI in the right way can get wildly better results than those who just type random stuff. It's like the difference between Googling how to make pasta and Googling authentic Roman cacio e pepe recipe with step-by-step video tutorial. Same tool, different outcome. Digital natives can own this space if they stop thinking their tech fluency is enough and start thinking like AI directors, not just operators. Reality check. Here's the uncomfortable truth. AI is going to level the playing field. Your childhood advantage of being good with tech is fading. But here's the comforting truth. The next edge is all about adaptability, and you already have that muscle. You've lived through multiple platform shifts, MySpace to Facebook, Facebook to TikTok, typing to voice, photos to videos, videos to AI-generated everything. You can learn, unlearn, and relearn faster than most. So no, you're not obsolete. You're just being upgraded. The hybrid future. The future belongs to hybrids. Humans who know how to work with AI like a creative partner. It's not about being the fastest typist anymore. It's about being the best thinker in the room. The one who can guide AI to create something meaningful. You might not beat AI at speed or scale, but you can outperform it in vision and judgment. Because AI can produce 1,000 images, but it can't tell which one captures the soul of a brand. So, obsolete or upgraded? Maybe digital native as a title is on its way out, but the mindset? The curiosity? The adaptability? That's not going anywhere. AI isn't your replacement, it's your amplifier. If you treat it like a partner, not a threat, you won't just survive this revolution, you'll lead it. Call to action. So, I'm curious, do you think AI will replace digital natives or just make them even more powerful? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you want to know exactly which AI skills you'll need before 2030, check out my other video. Links in the description.